Okay, y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from Pickin in the Hood 2. Yeah, I got another rant. Okay, y'all, let's get to it. Now, these are some fast videos. I try to get these out the way in less than 5 minutes. But look, y'all, you know what I'm sick of? I'm sick of people saying there's nothing in life for free. And when they say that, you know what I say? Don't get me started. Don't get me started. You want me to say what? And they say yeah. So I just start rolling it off my tongue. So today, I was in a Dollar Tree. I snuck by a Dollar Tree in this truck. I used to go in there and get me an ice cream, you know, a Snickers bar, and you know, I stopped there. And I was talking to this lady in line. Actually, I was talking to the cashier, and I was telling her, like I joke with him all the time about stuff should be free for me. So this lady overheard me, and she said, "Ain't nothing in life free." So I said, "Please don't say that. Please don't say that." So she said, "Ain't nothing in life free." So I started just rolling off. So I said, first of all, I could come in here and get air conditioner for free. I don't have to buy nothing. I come in here and read for free. I can read a book for free. I could, young lady, can I get a receipt? And she started ringing off to give me a receipt. I said, so I can write down the phone number. I said, this free. There's a piece of paper right here free. I said, if she had an ink pen, that ink could be free. I said, I could go in the bathroom and use the bathroom for free. I can get toilet paper, put it in my pocket, tissue, anything in there that's free. I can put soap in my pocket. That's free. And so I tried to tell her, I said, you want me to be quiet? Because I can keep going. And she said, you don't have to be quiet, so I kept going. I was like, I can go back there and make me a sandwich for free. Ain't nobody gonna know. They don't have security here. Ain't no cameras. I can make me a sandwich, eat me a bag of potato chips for free. I said, I could, if the only thing I had was a cassette, I'm not a cassette, a CD player, I can come in here, open up some CDs and play them for free. I said, all kind of stuff in there free. I said, and the main thing free in here is the restroom. Because if I was a bum, I could come in here, I could wash up, I could brush my teeth, I could do all kind of stuff, use the bathroom every day. I could do all kind of stuff in there for free. So, let me see how many minutes this is, y'all. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So I just hate when people say, ain't nothing in life for free. So, I just wanted to make a little video because my grandmother said that. Ain't nothing in life free. Yes, it is, Grandma. Yes, it is. A whole lot of stuff in life free. I could be walking down the street, somebody could put stuff out on the street for free, and I could load it in my truck and sell it on eBay. Free. Free. I clean houses. All that stuff in there free. And I'm getting paid for it. So, Grandma, that quote is wrong. I can get stuff free all the time. So, it is stuff in life free. Anyway, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I had another rant, but this is Kevin from St. Louis. And I go to yard sales, estate sales, flea markets, thrift stores, and sell stuff. I find stuff on the streets. I find soda cans, aluminum cans, whatever. I sell everything. Skids. Y'all, we call them skids up here, but they pallets. I sell everything. So y'all just remember, there's a whole lot of stuff in life free. Alright, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know, woo, that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.